my hopefuls, welcome to my super secret second channel. Today, we are going to be turning some of my designer bags from drab to fab. The first one, the Dior saddlebag in a highly coveted light brown color with gold hardware. Beautiful bag. This bag came from one of my lost cargo hauls. As you know, on my main channel, I love to buy lost mail. Because you never know what you're gonna get. And in these lost mail videos, a lot of the times, the things turn out to be not legit. So I was cautiously optimistic when I pulled this Dior bag out of this box. Honestly, I was pretty 50-50 on this bag about whether it was real or not. At one point, it ended up at my 1-cent yard sale, and you might remember, literally nobody wanted it. I don't know if it just like went unnoticed, but I took that as a sign that I should probably figure out if this bag is real or not. So I submitted everything. We got the authenticity results back, and hello there, hope you are well. Unfortunately, looking at the available photos, this item doesn't pass the authenticity. Yeah, so bummer. And I know there are tons of people that wanted this bag, whether it was real or not. But it just like, I don't know, I felt weird giving somebody a bag that I know isn't real. I came up with something else to do. I decided to totally make this bag over. So I was scrolling through Pinterest looking for some ideas of what I could do with this bag, and I found these like cool paint splatter handbags that people have made, but I also really love Judith Lieber. I know I've talked about her bags a lot of times, but like, look at them. These stunning, bedazzled works of art. Someday I'm gonna own one of these, but in the meantime, I thought, why don't I try to like make my own? Okay, maybe not cover the whole bag, but I decided to combine the two ideas, and I thought sparkly paint splatter. So I mapped out the design on just like a piece of paper first, and when I liked kind of the look of it and the color scheme, I outlined it on the purse, went in with all of my paints, and then painstakingly put the matching rhinestone color on the matching paint color. This took so long. I listened to so many podcasts while I was doing this, but the end result turned out stunning. And then I also decided to add a little touch, because I was gonna try to take off like this, but I don't know how, and I don't know what I would replace it with. So that nobody was confused, I wrote not Dior on the strap. It gives it character. Somebody had the idea that I should do like white crystals on the not Dior. I'm gonna do that. In fact, I think I might add another paint splash to the bottom here somewhere. I think could be cool. I love how this turned out. I think it's so unique. I can't help but imagine what it would look like if I covered the entire. Maybe that's what I should do. I'll add another splash, and then like every few months I'll just add more and more until the whole purse is covered. That would look so cool though. In the meantime, at least that needs to be done. So that's bag number one. Let me know if you like how it turned out. I'm pretty happy with it. Designer bag number two. This one came from a very unique place. Police confiscated evidence. This is another video I did on my main channel. Okay, packaging. Anyway, this was kind of a funny video because I pulled out this Louis Vuitton bag and this Off White bag, and I was like, this Louis Vuitton is for sure fake. I mean, we'll get it authenticated and see. Got our Off White bag, and I was like, oh, the Off White is for sure real. It was the complete opposite way around. Upon further inspection, do you notice anything off about this logo? I can't believe I didn't notice. I'm so embarrassed. It probably showed it in the pictures. So it's safe to say this is worth nothing. Good news. What? The item has passed the authenticity check. No way. Is this fake? What? Authentic. It's a nice little bag though, and I didn't want it to completely go to waste, but I didn't want to feel like, I don't, a total poser walking around with Off Whtie on my bag. I remembered that on canvas bags, if there's like a design, a screen print, paint, anything you don't want on a canvas bag, it will pretty much always come off with some acetone. So I took some acetone, rubbed it all over those lines, and I got the lines off for the most part, but you could still like very subtly see them. So I went on Etsy and I found this seller that sells really cute bag straps. And the one that I picked for this bag is this one. It's kind of like a cute floral tropical print, and I thought I would base my purse design on this little strap. And it actually worked out perfectly that the strap matches the exact color of the metal on the bag. Amazing. Meant to be. So then I started thinking, how do I cover these better? What's a design that might like move along through these lines? It's kind of like the tattoo makeovers. Those are so cool when they like leave the existing tattoo but make a new one over it. So I started like stringing these lines together, and then it became apparent what the design should be. So I wanted to do a beautiful little snake and incorporate the colors into it that are in the strap. I think he turned out really cute. This took so long for some reason. I think it's because the details were a lot smaller. Are you ready to see the reveal of it? Ta-da! Look at this. I think this one turned out so cool. I tried to go for like an ombre because the strap has both this teal and this darker blue in it. So I thought it'd be cool to incorporate both of the blues, and then obviously the green and the pink in the spots and his little tongue. Those are our designer bags. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with them, to be honest. I don't know. Let me know what you think I should do with them, but this one I might keep working on, to be honest. This one is done. Really happy with how it turned out, but this is a fun little pastime that I've developed.